Morning. So we're vlogging today for the first time in forever. I have my camera back. My sister was borrowing it and I just couldn't vlog comfortably with this gigantic thing. This is the one that I use to do like my sit down videos and stuff. It's great for that, but not for vlogging, so hi. Today's Wednesday. We have lessons today. I have a nail appointment later. We're packing to go to the cabin this weekend. I have some like small updates for you guys. But yeah, so let's see what we get into today. And I don't know if you guys have seen like our schoolroom and stuff, but yeah. I figured I'd vlog a little bit in this house before we move out because it's looking like we're gonna be closing on the 10th instead of the 18th. So once we get back from the cabin, it's gonna be go mode and we're gonna need to start packing. Okay, so we're done with school. I did some TikToks and I'm using this coffee that I made like 3 hours ago. It has a little pre-workout. I had to heat it up again. Oh, yeah. Literally freaking made us a black eye. Like I was standing like this and I was like, all right, well, let's go. And I like go to turn around. I had my phone like this and she was running the opposite direction. Her face ran right into the freaking phone. Okay, crisis averted. Well, not really. Crisis fixed. What's that? It was a wasp. A wasp. Let me go turn the car on. Yeah. We can't freaking go anywhere. It's a heat warning today too, so that's cool. Are you sleeping, Meme? Time for your nappy. There we go. Come on, guys. Your cake pop good? Yeah. You're getting heavy. That was a long weekend. Alright guys, I'm gonna put May to take her naps. Okay, I'm all done. My mom is heading over so that I can make my nail appointment. I'm gonna get them short, so here's a little before. So I'm back. Here are my nails. Let me see if you guys can see. So I got them shorter than I usually get them. I usually get them a little longer like coffin, but since we're gonna be packing next week and all that, I got my toes the neon color. Ramses is home now. My mom left and we're gonna order pizza for dinner. All the kids' stuff is out and ready for me to pack up. I already like pulled stuff out and I'm not too picky of like what they're gonna wear, just as long as they have like a... Ramses is here. I've been vlogging today. I'm not too picky on what they're gonna take because we're gonna just be at the cabin, going for walks, like, you know, hanging out with the family. As long as they have a mixture of like warmer and some summer clothes, just because it can depend, because the weather's nicer up there, but sometimes it rains and it cools down and stuff, so I haven't checked the weather either. So but anyways, Ramses is ordering the pizza right now and we're just gonna pack, chill the rest of the evening. The kids are gonna take showers. I'm gonna do their hair for the weekend. I usually like do like braids or, you know, some sort of hairstyle that will stay in their hair for the weekend, so I don't have to worry about it. Coming. Mavis is like obsessed with doing her preschool books today. Watch, I'll show you guys. I'm here. I've had to bring the camera to show all the work you've been doing. We're just using these little HMSCHL Education 180 Days of Reading. They have 180 days of pretty much any subject for any grade on Amazon. So you guys can find these in my Amazon storefront. Okay, ready? Yeah. Are you coloring the rainbow? Or do you want to color the rug? Or what do you want to do?
Oh, this table?
Alright, Jet, come sit so I can do your hair. Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I still have my makeup on. Yeah, it's 7. We're gonna finish all the last minute packing. We did not pack for ourselves at all. I'm not really worried. Like, the cabin that we're staying at is like in town. It's not like a true like cabin out in the wilderness situation. So, forget anything. If we need something, there's a Walmart, there's a Safeway, you know. So, anyway, I'm gonna pack some clothes, I'm gonna get dressed, wash my face. The kids' stuff is done. Ramses just went to go fill up the car and to wash it and to put air in the tires and all that. First, medication. Oxyshred. Allergy pill. I'm getting old. No, I'm not. Age ain't nothing but a number. Ay, ay, ay. I need to go get water. Alright, like 5 hours later. Alright, jewelry on. I just put my hair half up, half down. My other AirPod. I need to keep these separate because then I need to go pee too. Ramses took the car this morning to get an oil change. Drive 3 hours, so it's not too bad. We're gonna stop right now and get some lunch on our way out, and then that way everybody will be nice and full, possibly take a nap. Everybody. Come on, man. He's so sexy. We're officially on the way now. That doesn't look good. It's definitely in the forest. It's not on the
Forest? The rainforest?
The rainforest. Wait, what is it called? It's in the desert? It's definitely in the landscape, in nature. Oh no, it's not. Look at that smoke. It's like blue. See, there's an accident. It's an accident.
Oh shit, those moving.
Look, the fire. Oh my.
So we're coming up the mountain. Sissy has to pee. Mavis still hasn't taken her nap. And right now, Mommy had the great idea of putting on the Tony box for her. So, what I want to say is that in places like this, look around, there is no service. And what I came to realize is that, man, as long as you got a good partner, like, you guys can just talk the whole ride, you know? So we dove into relationship history issues that we had, and really, you know, going over them, and as uncomfortable as it can be sometimes, you know, it's helpful. And then we also talk about other things, and now she's helping me with my TikTok videos, so it's been a great ride. Thank you.
I have like an hour.
They keep thinking we're here.
I know, I'm like, why do you guys keep saying we're here? We're not here yet. We'll let you know for sure. We have an hour, about an hour left. It's 2:30. Family's already showing up, starting to show up. And we'll continue to show up until tomorrow. It's like a mini family reunion, to be honest. Like, it's not the whole family, but like, it's like 50%.
Good with calculations.
You are really good with calculations. I'm not even, like, you're good at guessing.
I'm very good.
We should go to the casino more. Maybe we should.
Dude, let's go. We'll spend like $50.
My mom will be down to go too. Oh, I forgot that was like, I was just saying we should go to the casino in general, not like while we're down here. Now. I know. I'm just realizing there's gonna be a casino down there. Okay, the older two had to go pee. Mavis is finally asleep. We have about 45 minutes left until we get there. Yeah, Ramses is right. We freaking like talk about everything. It's crazy. He's snoring. Did you get a rock star?
Sugar free. I realized that these have a lot of sugar in them.
This is sugar free.
But this one is sugar free, so it should have all the mineral vitamin complex to get you the fuck up. I feel it.
It's called crack.
Cappy.
Same thing. We made it. I'm not used to listening to rap anymore. I forgot how much I love it. The range on this road trip playlist is vast. And we're here.
We've arrived at our destination. Thank you for choosing Vargas Air. Temperature is 83 degrees and the sun sets at 7 p.m. Hope you enjoy this view. We'll be heading here down to the right. And thank you again for flying Vargas Air. We made it. Thank you for choosing us. Leave us a review. Thank you.
Okay, day 2. We took the kids to the park in the morning, had some breakfast. Now we're getting fishing permit.
Why do we need a fishing permit?
Because they want to charge you for everything. So yeah, fishing's not my favorite part of camping, but here we are. Ramses wants to go fishing, so you know, you give and take. And he forgot his wallet. And he's like, it's fine, I have my ID on my phone. I went to sleep pretty early yesterday too with the kids at like 9. So
That's early.
we'll probably stay up a little later today. Ma'am, this is an A and B conversation. See your way out of it. Thank you. Hopefully we stay up a little bit later tonight.
Let's see. We're here.
Fish. Ow! It's a monster! Ow!
Is it a wheel? It's squirming.
Right in the eye.
Oh, poor thing. Oh.
Dang!
We were swimming in the lake. Wait, it's a
Good
trout?
job,
You got
Levi.
pliers? Okay, be careful walking right here, buddy.
Was that the fish like to feed from the bottom. So if your line goes to the bottom, it's a...
Then you have a luckier chance of getting them.
Exactly.
We're fishing. We're fishing all together. And with my mommy, there we are together.
So we were fishing, everything was going pretty good, but then the line got stuck. And then
Sorry.
as Ramses was fixing it, Mavis said she had to poop. So we left. We're on our way to Walmart to pick up a few things. I have to make a list because if not, we'll probably go ham in there. Ramses needs some shorts because he didn't bring any shorts.
I bought a nice soccer ball. It was like 25 bucks.
Ramses was like sweating. He's like, shit, it's gonna be like $600. And I'm like, what? But you know what? You always act uptight when we're in a store and we're buying things, like no matter how much or how little we have in our freaking bank account. Childhood trauma.
Facts.
We were about to check out and he's like, it was only $261. And I was like, yeah, we're at Walmart, not Target. You really thought it was gonna be like $600?
Yeah, at least like 4. At least 4.
Like, we don't go to Walmart often, though, that's why. And it's been a long day. It's 2:46. Ramses is such a good driver. He really is. I trust him with my soul.
You see that white car?
No, oh my god.
That white car just
Fuck.
did.
I got tingling in my legs. I'm getting hungry. The burger sounds real good right now. I'm feeling like how you were feeling before we got to Walmart.
When I walked into Walmart, there's a Carl's Jr. right there. I'm like, oh, that famous store sounds so good right now. And none of them have had
I've never been to Carl's
so
Carl's
it was like a
Jr.
perfect
ever.
opportunity for me to be like, all right, we can eat here today, and just be like, it's part of the first experience. But
No.
I held it in.
Like, there's Panda right there. Like, literally, you could have eaten anything right now. Carl's Jr. is probably not even that good.
For me, one for me.
Was that play? Look at was.
Trying to be natural.
Oh, no, don't hit each other. Throw it into the hole. That's because Mofi's not getting in the picture. 12:37. Oh shit. It's like a big ass roller coaster. Oh my god. Ah! Sonora plates. I think we're all ready to be home. Are you ready to be home? We were the first ones to leave too. But everybody's leaving today too, but we were the first ones to leave. We got some pictures of the whole group before anybody left. This time there was 36 of us. For the whole entire immediate family to be here, that would be 78 people. I told Ernie that next time we might need to get some porta potties. And that'll help with
What are you saying?
He's like, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so Ramses' turn, because he just won on the T's and on the M's. Those are just my practice runs. So,
Sure about that?
So you get to pick the next letter.
Oh, and we're gonna say the rules too. And we're not gonna use names.
We do like an honor system though too, like what's our Our rules, we didn't say they made sense. We didn't say they made sense. They just work for us. So now we're doing S. Okay.
Okay, I'll start S with suspicious.
Silence.
Suspect.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical. That's it.
It's an S. S-Y.
Oh, okay. Symmetrical.
Five.
Slender.
System.
Slight.
Singular.
Stop.
Subaru.
Suzuki.
Sand.
Sam's Club.
Sandals.
Salamander.
Salad.
Sail.
Second.
Silver.
Solid.
Soy.
Sharp.
Sting.
Shit.
Sushi.
Soup.
Soccer.
Sock.
Socket.
Shady.
Salami.
Saliva.
Sock.
We said that already.
Super. Two.
Suspended.
Smell.
Stink.
Salmon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sandhill.
Saddlewood.
Sandalwood. Is that what you meant to say?
Sandalwood, yeah.
Because I'm like, I don't know what
Saddlewood.
saddlewood is. Slurp.
Sediment.
Stupendous. It's
Wait,
your turn.
That wasn't a word.
I said stupendous.
I'm
Stupendous.
Stupendous.
Stupendous, yes.
Slight.
Stupid.
Sight.
Sony.
Singapore.
Single.
Stuck.
Silly.
Summer.
Scented.
Sentient.
Suburban.
Settle. 1.
Sam.
Stutter.
Good job.
Well, that's 3 for 3.
That's the doctorate degree for you. Bachelor's degree, doctorate degree. Big, but you know, he can't spell for shit, so.
You really need to spell any of those words?
Yes, we do.
I was almost dying.
Okay, we played 9 games now?
Really?
Because we did 6. He won the first 3, I won the last 3.
Then we did
Of the 6. And then we did the tiebreaker, the 7th one, and then you won that one?
No, actually, the tiebreaker you beat.
Oh yeah, you're right. 1 to 3, Ramses won. 4, 5, 6, I won. 7, I won. 8, he won. So technically, it was a tie because he got 4 and I got 4.